Welcome. If you want to stay ahead of the latest product releases and exclusive drops on Instagram, turning on shopping drops notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make sure you never miss out on a hot new launch. Let's get started. First, pick up your phone and head straight to your main settings menu. This is where you control how your apps interact with your device, including notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every app installed on your phone. Find and select Instagram from the list. This will open up all the settings related to the Instagram app. Once you're inside the Instagram settings, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. Here, you'll see all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This is where you can fine-tune exactly which notifications you want to receive from Instagram. Scroll through the categories until you find the one labeled Shopping Drops or something similar. This is the option that controls alerts for new product launches and exclusive drops. To activate these notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Shopping Drops to the on position. You'll know it's on when the switch changes color or moves to the right depending on your device. And that's it. You're all set. From now on, whenever there's a new shopping drop on Instagram, you'll get a notification right on your phone. This means you'll be among the first to know about limited releases, exclusive products, and special announcements from your favorite brands. If you ever want to adjust these notifications, just repeat these steps and toggle the option off. Customizing your alerts is a great way to make sure you only get the updates that matter most to you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Happy shopping!